Ever wondered how to make your online content more personalized for your users? The digital age has ushered in an era of customization, with users expecting personalized experiences that cater to their unique preferences and interests. But how can businesses keep up with this demand? How can they sift through the vast amounts of data to deliver relevant content to each user? Enter Blackcoffer, a leading IT firm that prioritizes its clients and provides them with powerful insights in various fields. With 12 years of experience under their belt, Blackcoffer has developed a system that understands users' interests and recommends posts that are more relevant to them. This system uses 4 models: the popularity model, content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, and the hybrid model. The popularity model shows posts that have been most viewed, liked, and commented on. The content-based model uses TF-IDF, a natural language processing technique, to relate articles as similar and suggest them accordingly. Collaborative filtering searches for similar users using cosine similarity and shows results based on this similarity. The hybrid model combines the results of both the content-based model and collaborative filtering to provide the final results. But how do you know this system works? Blackcoffer has applied these models to a sample dataset and shown the accuracy of each model using the top N accuracy matrix. This allows you to choose the model that best suits your needs. This impressive recommendation tool, developed using Python and machine learning, operates at a production level. It leverages databases of articles and event types and runs on Google Cloud Platform. Developed by a team of data scientists at Blackcoffer, this tool is a testament to their expertise and dedication. So, if you're grappling with the challenge of personalizing your online content, why not turn to the experts at Blackcoffer? They've helped numerous Fortune 500 corporations, technology firms, professional services companies, and financial institutions, and they can help you too. Make your way to the Blackcoffer website to learn more about their services and how they can help your business thrive in the digital age. Ready to take the next step? Get in touch with the Blackcoffer team for a consultation and discover how their powerful insights can transform your business. Your journey towards personalized online content starts with Blackcoffer.